Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Anndale McTavish, and as co-chair of the Patient Family Advisory Council, I'm here to provide a patient's perspective on this magnificent new cancer centre. In 2009, an early diagnosis and skillful surgery here at KGH, which is the only acronym I'm allowed to use. That skillful surgery and that early diagnosis saved my life. Although the care I received here was excellent, during my 9-day stay, and my subsequent recovery, I had time to observe how and reflect on the enormous power of a healing environment. Every aspect of the hospital environment has the power either to promote or to undermine the healing of patients and those they love. So the teams who ensure our care are enormously important to us. Our voice as patients is being heard clearly at Kingston General, and we are eager to continue our partnership towards the goal of outstanding care always. I'm honored today to celebrate the completion of Phase 1 of KGH's $196 million redevelopment project and the updated state-of-the-art Cancer Centre of Southeastern Ontario. Now I'd like to welcome our special guests, the Honourable Deb Matthews, Minister of Health and Long-Term Care, Minister, the Honourable John Gerritsen, MPP for Kingston and the Islands, John, Chris Cunningham, Chair of KGH Board of Trustees, and our President and CEO, Leslie Thompson. This morning, the Patient Family Advisory Council had the opportunity to meet with Minister Matthews and share with her some of the success of the Patient Family Advisory Council at KGH. We are really encouraged, it was wonderful, that Minister Matthews has personally acknowledged our efforts. Finally, in addition to meeting patients' needs, this beautiful space also meets the needs of staff who deliver our outstanding care. And I'd like to introduce someone now who will tell you more about this. Brenda Carter, Regional Vice President, Cancer Services, Kingston General Hospital. Brenda?
Thank you, Anndale. Honored guests, good afternoon and thank you for joining us today. As Anndale mentioned, my name is Brenda Carter and I'm the Regional Vice President for Cancer Services at KGH. So what does this newly redeveloped and expanded Cancer Centre represent, and why are we so proud of it? As the regional hub for complex, acute and specialty cancer care in the Southeast region, the Cancer Centre provides care for more than 350 patients each and every day. We are the sole provider of radiation therapy, stem cell transplants, genetic screening for cancer risk, and complex cancer surgery. We provide the majority of regional chemotherapy and pediatric cancer care. Our newly renovated space features bright, patient-friendly rooms and dedicated space for psychosocial support and patient education. It offers expanded clinical research and teaching areas that support multidisciplinary collaboration and space for academic and residency teaching. We've added new outpatient clinics, a new pediatric unit, increased space for chemotherapy and radiation treatment, and we have brought online state-of-the-art technologies and equipment, and Minister Matthews and entourage had an opportunity to see that firsthand. We are so proud of this centre because, as highlighted again and again by our staff, this new building now reflects the care we provide. Outstanding cancer care, always. And speaking of our staff, today's celebration would not be complete without making special mention of them. Over the last 4 years, our staff made huge effort to ensure we never missed a single day where we were able to treat cancer patients. And believe me, there were many times we were challenged to do so. Without hesitation and with a constant view of doing what was right for cancer patients and families, our staff went above and beyond to ensure that the daily disruption brought about by an invasive construction project did not get in the way of providing patient and family-centered care. That was a commitment they made then, and truthfully, it's a commitment they make every day. I'm honored to be their leader and to express my deep thanks and appreciation to each one of them. Today, I'm here also to bring greetings on behalf of Cancer Care Ontario. The expansion of the Cancer Centre at KGH was made possible thanks to a number of very valuable partnerships. We especially want to thank CCO for helping make this vision a reality. Working with CCO and all our partners, we have doubled the size of KGH's cancer care facilities, creating more than 300,000 square feet of new and renovated space, ensuring that the residents of Kingston and the Southeast region can continue to receive high-quality cancer care closer to home. Cancer centres like this are an integral part of the regional and provincial cancer system and have considerable impact on reducing wait times for cancer diagnosis and treatment. As the government's cancer advisor, an agency responsible for continuously improving cancer services in the province, Cancer Care Ontario focuses on reducing the number of Ontarians diagnosed with cancer and ensuring a high-quality care every step of the patient's journey. We are fortunate today to have Elaine Mertens, Director of Cancer Planning and Regional Program Development, with us from Cancer Care Ontario to join us in these celebrations. Again, thank you to all of our partners and supporters who have made this new cancer centre at KGH possible. Now I'd like to call upon Chris Cunningham, Chair of the Board of KGH, to say a few words.
Thank you, Brenda. Minister, guests, it's great you're here today because it is a momentous occasion indeed. Not only are we celebrating the completion of the biggest redevelopment project, but to have the support of people in our community who have been instrumental in making today happen. When our three hospitals came together to form the University Hospitals Kingston Foundation, volunteers and staff set out on a united front to raise the community share for projects that are changing the landscape of healthcare in our community. Under the incredible leadership of our campaign chair, Ian Wilson, and he is here today. Ian, where are you? More than $70 million was raised from literally thousands of people throughout Southeastern Ontario region who care deeply about our hospitals and their health care. People who have chosen to give of themselves so that others can benefit for years to come. We are fortunate today to have so many of our donors and supporters here, and I'd like to take this opportunity to acknowledge them and to extend our special thanks for your generous contributions to the Together We Can campaign. Thank you. We're also here today, have many of our community healthcare partners here, people who have joined us in our aim of providing outstanding care always. We have people from the cancer care team. We have our board here. We have our leadership team, our hospital partners, community agencies, leaders from the Southeast, Lynn, the university, and we have the mayor of this great city, Mark Gerritsen. Mark? In fact, Minister, what we have here today is a mini healthcare system. People who have come together on behalf of patients and families, not just today, but each and every day. One of our greatest champions has been the Honourable John Gerritsen, the Member of Parliament for Kingston and the Islands. John, we're very grateful for your unwavering support, your determination to bring this project to life, and it is now my pleasure to ask you to come forward and say a few words, John.